Excellencies, distinguished members of Parliament, ladies and gentlemen, it is my pleasure to invite you to the first Africa-European Union Parliamentary Assembly to be held in Ezulwini, Kingdom of Eswatini. From 7 to 14th May 2026, this historic parliamentary gathering, established under the Samoa Agreement, marks the beginning of an enhanced strategic partnership between the European Union and the African region of the Organization of African, Caribbean, and Pacific States. This meeting will launch a new institutional and regional setting that will shape a new phase of political cooperation. Hosted at the International Convention Center, the Assembly will advance our shared priorities and contribute to the commitments under the Africa-EU collaboration. I look forward to welcoming you to the Kingdom of Eswatini. Thank you.